Story time. The Squirrel and the Bird. One day, in a big green forest, a friendly squirrel named Sam found a tiny bird that was hurt. "Oh no, poor little bird," Sam said. Sam took care of the bird, giving it food and a warm place to rest. Slowly the bird got better and could fly again. "Thank you, Sam," the bird chirped. "I will help you if you ever need me." One day, a strong storm came. The wind blew hard, and Sam's home was broken. Sam felt sad. "Where will I live now?" The little bird saw Sam's trouble and called for help. Many birds flew in, carrying sticks and leaves. They worked together to build a new house for Sam. When the house was finished, Sam smiled. "Thank you, friends." From that day on, Sam and the bird were best friends, always helping each other. Morals of the story: kindness comes back to you. Friendship means being there always. Teamwork makes big problems smaller.